It is a motorcycle racer's dream. Everybody wants to be factory backed. Well, we all can't be factory backed, but if you own a Yamaha, if you're here at this race, you can take advantage of factory support, Gary. I think it's awesome what you're doing for these racers. Can we see a little bit about, what you do over here?
I'm here to help you for Yamaha.
I got to give a major shout out to Yamaha. Come with me over the next 7-8 minutes because we're going to explore something that's very cool. Trackside support right from the factory. What this means is you don't have to be on the team. If you own a Yamaha, you bring your bike over here, you have access to parts, free labor. It's an amazing program. Let's learn more about it.
Yeah, I'm here to do Blue Crew Trackside for US Yamaha, and I'm here to help all the riders out. Even though we have professional riders, we help here at Cody Simpson's bike. And we do now this year help Irvine Racing out with all their bikes and whatever they need for Yamahas.
So Gary, what exactly are you offering for these racers here?
Well, basically anything that's wrong with your Yamaha here at the track, I'm here to help you fix it as best I can. And whatever you need, parts, labor is free.
That's amazing.
Discount,
what a benefit.
Discount on parts.
So you guys did this through Yamaha.
US Yamaha hired, we're the West Coast trackside dealer for US Yamaha, Simi Valley Cycles.
And I imagine you're loaded down with parts inside this box, man.
All the wear and tear, common parts you need. We usually have it on the van and we'll help you install it. Whatever you need, we're here to help you.
It's awesome. Well, if you could, show me some of the things that you're doing for these riders out here today.
Basically, it's whatever you need. Well, if your bike breaks or something happens to it, you bring it to me and we'll help out. I got a couple team riders here. And this is one of my other Clark here I'm helping out.
All right.
And whatever he needs or anybody on a Yamaha needs, just come by and see us. And we're here to help you out with whatever you need.
That's so cool. Looks like mostly 2-strokes over here. Any 4-strokes?
2-strokes? Nope, this is our 2-stroke team. I got some 4-stroke guys in other parts in the pit, but anybody on Yamaha's on my team.
Well, this is such a tremendous benefit by Yamaha and such a great deal by you guys because nothing's for free anymore. But if you show up at this race, you don't have to be affiliated with this team. If you simply ride a Yamaha, you can bring your bike over here and you guys will help fix it.
Yes, you can. Whatever you need, I can help you out.
Now, how about if it's catastrophic, like somebody blows up their engine? Are you set up to do a piston change? Are you set up to?
I am. I'm actually designed to actually change cranks on 2-strokes
and
4-strokes as long as it doesn't go up too far. But yes, I have top-end kits, piston kits, levers, subframes. I have most of the wear and tear parts, whatever you need.
Very cool. Gary, if we could, let's walk over here. Let's see what's going on with one of your mechanics. And here we have Craig Simpson, who has been working very, very hard. As you can see, they're getting these bikes ready to go. Craig, thank you so much, man. How long have you been working on motorcycles?
It's been about 30 years. I started working on them when I was probably about 12 years old. I raced myself for a while, and I was forced to work on them, which I was fortunate by my father so I could learn. As my son got to about 3 or 4 years old, I pretty much stopped riding, focused on my kids, and pretty much have been working on the bikes ever since then. Anyway, to fully rebuild the engine, I have TBT do the suspension. They do a really good job. I send the crankshafts out to Bob Howard in Oak Hills. But other than that, everything else I prep, take them down to the frame and rebuild them.
I'm sure you get a lot of guys that unfortunately go down, and levers and bars, probably some of the most common things. What are you seeing most often?
Yeah, kind of on the 4-strokes, a little rubber mounts on the things will bend, but we're here to replace it or fix it and make it better.
If you could, tell me what takes up the majority of your time here. What are you working on with this factory support program when guys bring in their bikes? What do you fix most often?
Personally or
both? Personally, or what some of these riders, we're talking about these riders taking advantage of the factory support that Yamaha offers, which is amazing.
Primarily it's like a lot of like clutch work. There's a lot of like people that have their wore out clutches. They may need clutches changed. Brakes get bled all the way down to brake pads, to loose spokes on the wheels, chains, spark plugs is a real common one, levers, Probably like your consumable parts, chains, sprockets. That's probably the most parts that usually gets asked to be worked on.
Well, this is such a cool program by Yamaha because we know this is a rough and tumble series, 90-minute motos. These bikes get beat up, and not everybody out there is very mechanically inclined, so they can bring it over here and they got the benefit of you.
Oh yeah, no, Yamaha SBC is an awesome program. Anybody on Yamaha can come here. These guys that run this do a really good job. They work extremely hard. They're patient with everybody, and they do a very good job making sure that any part that they have in there and they can offer it to somebody, they will, and they do a really good job and do the work on it themselves. So it's an awesome program.
And it makes for a busy weekend for you, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Yep.
Well, keep up the good work. We wish you all the best here, guys.
Thank you.
Yamaha
Appreciate
factory support out here at the NGPC. Where do you find these very talented motorcycle mechanics?
You know, I'm going to introduce you to Cody Simpson. He's our
Cody Simpson, very cool.
Simpson.
Let's see, Mr. Cody, good to see you, man.
Nice meeting you.
Good to see you, good to see you.
Oh man, it's life-changing. Simi Valley Cycles, they're one of the best manufacturers, one of the best shops around. Anyone here at the NGPC races, they can come up here to Gary or Jeff and they can get their bikes worked on, anything they need, parts, anything. Just come up here and ask Gary and we'll get you all straightened up. Great for everything out here.
Well, Cody, you were once a young racer coming up. I mean, to have this benefit open to everybody just by the simple fact that you ride a Yamaha, how meaningful is that? How important is that? What a benefit is that? You can come over here and have pro mechanics work on your bike.
Oh, it's super meaningful to me. It means the world. Growing up, I've always dreamt of being on a team, being on a factory support level team, and this is my dream come true, and I can't thank them enough. It's great.
Yeah, we spotted Cody about 4 years ago at a race. He came up needing a part, and we started watching him ride, and somebody going, hey, he's doing pretty good. So I got him signed up with US Yamaha to sponsor him a few years ago, and he's still gassing it, going faster every time he rides.
So is that cool or what, guys? Like I said, we all dream of factory support. We all come to these races as weekend warriors, and we look at the pros, and we look at the mechanics that they have, and the access to parts that they have, and just realize how beneficial it really is. But with Yamaha trackside support and other OEMs doing this, we can all feel like pros. Shout out Simi Valley Cycles for doing this. I think it's awesome. Leave your thoughts on it down below. Thank you, Yamaha, for subsidizing this thing. You guys are awesome. Guys, if you like this video, here's another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle, and you know if there's anything fast racing, Racing Jack is in.